Are going to love the 2014 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power brakes, child safety locks, power windows, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.